Hello everyone, this is Swati Agrawal, Faculty of Mathematics, Oriental Institute of Science and Technology, Bhopal. Today I will explain algebraic and tangential equation, which is the topic of M3. So what is the algebraic equation? A polynomial equation of the form fx is equal to a0x to the power n plus a1x to the power n minus 1 so on an is equal to 0 is called an algebraic equation. For example, x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 5 is equal to 0 and so on are the algebraic equation. And what is the tangential equation? An equation which contains polynomial, trigonometric function, logarithmic function, exponential function, etc. is called a tangential equation. For example, tan x minus e to the power x is equal to 0 is and so on are the tangential equations. Now the solution of the algebraic and tangential equation. Roots of an equation fx is equal to 0 is the value of x, say x is equal to alpha, for which f of alpha is equal to 0. Similarly, by the geometrical interpretation, a root of an equation is the value of x at which the graph of the equation y is equal to fx intersect the x-axis is a root. Here, if a graph y is equal to fx cut the x-axis, intersect the x-axis at the point alpha, therefore the alpha is the roots of fx. A polynomial equation of degree n will have exactly n roots, real or complex, simple or multiple. But in the tangential equation may have one root or no root or infinite number of roots depending on the form of fx. Therefore, the method of finding the roots of an equation, fx is equal to 0 are direct method or and numerical method. In the direct method gives the exact value of all the roots in the finite number of steps. But in the numerical method are based on the idea of successive approximation. In these methods, we start one or two initial approximation to the root and obtain a sequence of approximations x0, x1, so on, xk, which converges to the exact root x is equal to a, taking limit as k tends to infinite. There are no direct method for solving the higher degree algebraic equation or tangential equation. Such equation can be solved by the numerical method only. This method we first find an interval in which the roots lies. If a and b are the two numbers such that f of a and f of b have opposite sign, then a roots of fx is equal to 0 lies in between a and b. We take a or b or any value in between a or b as first approximation x1. This is further improved by the numerical method. Here are few important numerical methods to find a roots of fx is equal to 0. That is bisection method, method of false position, numerical Newton-Raphson method. I will explain the method of bisection method. Suppose fx is equal to 0 be an equation. Choose two consecutive value a and b such that f of a and f of b has opposite sign. Evaluate the midpoint of a and b such that x0 is equal to a plus b by 2. If f of x0 is equal to 0, then x0 is the roots of given equation. But if f of x0 is not equal to 0, then either f of x0 is negative or f of x0 is positive. In the case 1, let us consider that f of x0 is negative or f of a is positive. So f of x0 and f of a is less than negative. Therefore, the roots lies between a and x0. So the bisection method x1 is equal to x0 plus a divided by 2 be the first approximation. In the case 2, let us consider f of x0 is positive and f of b is negative. So that f of x0 and f of b is negative. Therefore, the roots lies between x0 and b. Then by the bisection method formula, x1 is equal to x0 plus b divided by 2. Here f of x1 is negative and f of x1 is positive. Here the logic is that we have to select the first negative or first positive from the bottom approximations only, but not from the top. That is, the approximation which we have recently found should be selected. If f of x1 is equal to 0, then x1 is the root of the given equation. Otherwise, repeat above process until we obtain solution of the given equation. Here is a suitable example for the bisection method. Find the roots of the following equation using bisection method correctly to the 3 decimal place x cube minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Let us suppose the equation be fx is equal to x cube minus 3x minus 5. Find f of 2 at the point x is equal to 2, which gives minus 3, and f of 3, that is x is equal to 3, at the point x is equal to 3, the value of fx is equal to 13. Therefore, the roots lies between 2 and 3. In the first approximation, by the bisection formula, x1 is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 2, that is 2.5. Find the value of 2.5 in the function, which gives us positive value. B. Find negative value. F of 2 gives the negative value. Therefore, the roots lies between 2 and 2.5. Now for the second approximation, x2, 2 plus 2.5 divided by 2, which gives us 2.25. Find the value of 2.25, which gives us negative, and 2.5 gives the positive value. Therefore, the roots lies between 2.25 and 2.5. In the similar manner, we find the third, fourth, fifth and sixth approximation until the answer is from the 3 decimal place is not equal. In the seventh approximation, eighth approximation, the value is 2.273, 2.277, 2.279, 2.278. That is, the value of 2.279 is the value from the approximate equal values in the 11th approximation. We find the 11th approximation, the value is 2.278. From the 3 decimal place, the 11th and 10th approximation are equal. Therefore, the roots of the given equation be 2.278. Now, thank you very much.